If you want to learn how to paint realistic animal eyes using acrylic paints, then this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the exact techniques you can use to paint lifelike eyes that really make your animal paintings stand out. If you'd like to learn how to paint colourful animals in more depth, you can head over to my Patreon where you'll find all of my full-length art tutorials. Every animal eye is different. The shape, colour, size and details will always depend on the species you're painting. That said, there are some basic steps that you can follow that will help you to paint the majority of animal eyes. I've also created separate videos showing you how to paint specific eyes, including leopard, tiger and horse eyes, so I'll link to those below. We can break the process down into a few simple steps. To begin, it's helpful to focus on the fur, skin, feathers or scales around the eye. This doesn't have to be the first step every time, sometimes it can even be the last, and it really depends on how you like to structure your painting. However, I do find that it can be helpful to at least block in some base colours around the eye first. This can help you to judge the overall brightness and vibrancy of the painting so the eye doesn't end up looking out of place. Now we can move on to painting the eye itself. Start with the coloured part of the eye, building from the darkest shade around the outer edge and gradually getting lighter as you work towards the centre. Use your darkest tones at the top of the eye where it would naturally be in shadow from the eyelid. The exact colours you use will depend on the animal and the colour of its eyes, so keep referring back to your reference images and adjust your paint mixes as needed. Most eyes have a starburst effect where the colour appears to radiate outwards from the pupil. To create this, pull your brushstrokes outward from the centre. This not only helps to blend the colours together, but it also helps to add natural looking detail to the eye. Next, you can paint the pupil using black paint. While many animals have round pupils like us, others have oval or split pupils, so it's really important to study reference photos of the specific animal you're painting to get this right. Painting the highlight is my favourite part of painting eyes, and honestly it's one of my favourite parts of painting animals in general. Highlights instantly bring the eye to life and make the whole painting feel more realistic. The larger your painting is, the more detail you'll be able to include. If you're working on a smaller piece, you might need to simplify things slightly, but you can still follow the same overall steps. One tip I love when painting highlights is to use blue paint. This creates the impression that the eye is reflecting the blue sky. You can blend the shadow at the top of the eye into the highlight by using a slightly darker blue at the top and gradually lightening it as you move downwards. To make the eye look even more realistic, you can make the highlight appear transparent. To do this, mix a shade of light grey and paint it over the section of the pupil that sits within the highlight. Then, for the rest of the highlight, use a lighter version of the eye colour. This allows the pupil to remain visible underneath, giving the illusion of transparency. Finally, you can add a small white dot in the brightest area for that final pop. Another technique I really enjoy is thinking about what the eye is reflecting. You can then incorporate this into the lower edge of the highlight. For example, this wolf is reflecting mountains, while this hare is reflecting hills and trees. Lastly, you can add even more realism by painting subtle reflections within the highlight itself. This is especially effective for furry animals. If there's fur above the eye, it's often reflected in the highlight. Using a very fine paintbrush and some black paint, lightly paint a few fur lines coming down from the top of the highlight. Small details like this can make a huge difference. I hope this video has been helpful and gives you more confidence when painting animal eyes. If you'd like to learn how to paint animals in more detail, you can access all of my full-length tutorials over on my Patreon, Rachel Froud Art. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this.